Hi, I'm Naomi from Copify Digital Marketing, and today we are going to talk about Facebook ads, specifically what to do when you're working with a brand new ad account. Many advertisers believe that new ad accounts simply don't convert, so they switch their campaign to traffic or optimize for link clicks instead of sale or leads. But in reality, that's one of the biggest mistakes you can make. In this video, I will explain why new ad accounts struggle at the beginning, what actually works, and how to structure your campaign so Meta's algorithm can start learning and generating results as quickly as possible. First, it's important to understand why new ad accounts are more difficult. The main reasons are simple. They don't have data yet. There is no conversion history, no past campaigns performance, and no signals that help Meta understand who is most likely to convert. Meta's advertising system relies heavily on machine learning. The platform analyzes historical data to decide who should see your ads. For example, imagine Meta analyzes your past campaigns and discover that women around 40 years old who are interested in cats and trampolining are most likely to buy your product. If that pattern appears in the data, Meta will begin prioritizing similar audiences and show your ads more often to people with those characters. The system can also analyze many other signals, such as how many impressions someone usually needs before purchasing, what time of the day conversions happen most often, which days of the week perform best, and what type of users interact with your ads. But this optimization becomes powerful only when enough data exists. And that's why results are often slower with brand new ad accounts. However, many advertisers respond to this challenge in the wrong way. Instead of running campaigns optimized for conversion, such as sales or leads, they switch to optimizing for landing page views or link clicks. But that usually makes things worse. Think about it like this. Imagine someone who hasn't exercised for 10 years decide they want to run a marathon. Instead of practicing running, they decided to prepare by swimming. Swimming might improve their fitness, but it won't prepare them to run a marathon. The best way to get better at running is simply to run. The same principle applies to Facebook ads. If your goal is sales or leads, your campaign should optimize for those results from the very beginning, even if conversions are limited at first. New ad accounts absolutely can generate conversions. They simply need time and data to improve. Even without historical data, Meta can start learning immediately using real-time signals, such as who clicks on your ad, how long people watch or read it, and how users interact with the creative. These signals help the system identify patterns and start improving ad delivery. As more data accumulates, performance typically improves. Now, why you shouldn't change your campaign objective only because the account is new? There are a few adjustments that can help new ad accounts perform better. First, avoid starting with completely broad targeting. Broad targeting can work very well in mature accounts, but with a brand new account, it's helpful to give Meta some directions. You can do this by adding signals such as interest, demographics, or suggested audiences. A hybrid approach where Meta receives the audience but still has flexibility to explore often works best in the early stages. Second, keep your campaign structure simple. One of the most common mistakes with a brand new ad account is creating too many campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Each additional element adds more variables for the system to analyze, which slow down the learning process. For example, if you spend $100 per day across many campaigns, the data becomes fragmented. But if that same budget is focused on one campaign, the algorithm can learn much faster. That's why a simple structure usually works best in the beginning. 1 or 2 campaigns, a smaller number of ad sets, 2 or 3 ads per ad set. This helps consolidate data, allows the system to optimize more efficiently. Finally, most advertisers should start with a smaller budget when launching a new ad account. Early results are often less stable because both the advertiser and the algorithm are still learning. Starting with a manageable budget allows you to test creative, audience, and offer without unnecessary risk. Once you identify what works, you can gradually increase your budget and scale your campaigns. Successful Facebook advertising is a process. New ad accounts need time, testing, and constant data. But if you focus on the right objective, keep your structure simple, and allow the algorithm to learn, your campaign can become significantly more effective over time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.